emotional in the sense that it is a long pending demand. That we have every right to make sure that the government understands what is the sentiment. It is not only my sentiment. I think all 7 MLAs of Bhardesh share the same sentiment. Everybody has spoken on different topics. My colleague Michael highlighted a few issues that public are facing. I highlighted the other aspect of it, that it is taking too long, that it has been so many years that it is pending. खंय तरी लोकांक उत्तर दिवचे पडटले सरकाराक. It is not my demand as an MLA. It is the people's demand. हांव सरकारान आसूनय जर हो विशय जो आसा तो हाताचो न्हू. एक्विजिशन जाला 7 27 20 वर्सां जातली. मग केन्ना जावप तो बस स्टँड. आमकां एक हें आसा न्हू विचारपाक, लोक आमकां विचारता न्हू. Tourist. No, of course, you understand by my language yesterday what the sentiment is. It is not my sentiment, it is the people of Mapsa sentiment. It is the people of Bhardesh sentiment.
ऑपोजिशनाच्या MLA डेव्हलपमेंटाच्या नावार तुमच्या पक्षान आयले आणि जे तुम्ही ह्या पक्षान आहात तुमचेच डेव्हलपमेंट जायना.
हांव तेंचे बद्दल हांव उलयना, कित्याक हांव आसा थंय आसा. तो कोण आयलो खंयचे कारणां खातीर अशें म्हणना हांव की कांयच कामां जावना. भरपूर कामां जालेली आसा. आय गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क्स डन. सो इट विल बी रॉंग फॉर मी टू से that government has not done both. I am very specific with regards to transport department, with regards to the Mapsa bus stand. This is pending for a long time. I was very specific. काल उबो रावला आनी सांगलेलें आसा की म्हाजो एकूच डिमांड आसा. I will speak only on transport department, not even the department. I have spoken specifically on Mapsa bus. I will have completed 8 years as See, we managed to get one small portion of the bus stand. So it is, तुम्ही म्हाका विचारता तशेंच तुम्ही रिस्पेक्टेड मंत्री जे आसा तेंचे तो करतलो म्हणटा मागीर दिसोंक जाय न्हू. तें लोकांक दिसोंक जाय. तें म्हाका दिसलें म्हणून वेगळें.
आता फुटींग कोण धरता हितून, कारण तुम्ही तुमचे कडेन लोक येता आसतले, तुम्ही एश्युरन्स दिता.
आमी एश्युरन्स कशें दिता. मंत्री आमकां एश्युरन्स दिता ऑन द फ्लोर ऑफ द हाऊस. इट इज इन पब्लीक डोमेन. प्रायव्हेट मिटींग बसताना तसो आश्वासन दिना तो. On the floor of the house, in front of everybody, in the front of the entire state, he is giving assurance. So ultimately, it is for him to decide now, or him to clarify, or him to confirm whether it is going to happen or not. I specifically asked, केन्ना जातले, खंयच्या म्हयन्यान जातले, हे मातशें सांगचें म्हणून. He has said that it is waiting approval from the PPP commission or committee. After that, it will go to CM. Now let's CM answer. Now let's that how will I tell that you ask Honorable Chief Minister whether it will happen in MLA Joshua D'Souza's tenure or not. He is the right person to answer. I cannot answer because the file is not with me. If the file is with me, I can answer.